For many Dallas homeowners, finding ways to keep their homes comfortable without overspending on energy bills is a top priority. With the city's mix of scorching summers, mild winters, and occasional strong winds, the right windows can make a substantial difference in both comfort and energy savings. Casement windows, one of the most versatile and efficient window styles available, have become a popular choice for homeowners seeking better airflow, improved insulation, and enhanced overall home performance. Here's how casement windows can dramatically improve airflow and energy efficiency in Dallas homes. Superior airflow through full window openings. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is the way they open. Hinged on the side and operated with a crank, they swing outward like a door, allowing the entire window area to open rather than just a portion. Why better airflow matters in Dallas. Summers are long, hot, and humid. Fresh airflow helps reduce indoor stuffiness. Natural ventilation reduces reliance on air conditioning. Moving air helps maintain indoor air quality, especially in tightly sealed homes. Because casement windows can catch and direct breezes into the home, they are especially effective when placed opposite one another or used in areas where homeowners want maximum ventilation, like kitchens, living rooms, and upstairs bedrooms. Tighter seals for improved energy efficiency. Casement windows are known for providing some of the tightest seals of any window style. When shut, the window sash presses firmly into the frame, creating an airtight seal that blocks drafts far better than older, sliding, or double-hung windows. This matters in Dallas because hot air infiltration increases cooling costs during long Texas summers. Warm winter air escaping makes heating systems work harder. Drafts can create uneven temperatures throughout the home. With casement windows, you get the dual benefit of improved comfort and reduced energy consumption, keeping your indoor environment stable no matter how extreme outdoor temperatures get. Energy-efficient glass options boost performance. Modern casement windows come equipped with high-performance glass packages that help Dallas homeowners control heat gain, a major issue in the region. Common glass upgrades include low-E coatings that reflect heat away during summer and retain warmth during winter. Argon gas fills between panes to improve insulation. Double or triple pane glass to limit heat transfer. UV protection to reduce sun damage to floors and furnishings. Paired with the casement window's tight seal, these features significantly improve home energy efficiency, lowering utility bills while maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. Perfect for hard-to-reach areas. In many Dallas homes, especially those with contemporary or open-concept layouts, there are spaces where windows are placed over sinks, counters, or large furniture. Casement windows are ideal in these spots because their crank system makes them easy to open with minimal effort. This simple convenience encourages homeowners to use natural ventilation more often, reducing air conditioning usage and creating cleaner airflow throughout the home. Enhanced security and home protection. Energy efficiency and airflow aren't the only benefits. Casement windows are also known for their strong locking mechanisms, which fasten directly into the frame, making them more secure than many other window types. In a growing city like Dallas, where home security is an important concern for families, casement windows offer peace of mind in addition to comfort and efficiency. Ideal for both modern and traditional Dallas homes. Casement windows blend seamlessly with many architectural styles, from classic brick homes in older neighborhoods to contemporary homes throughout rapidly growing areas. Their clean lines, wide views, and sleek operation make them visually appealing while adding practical advantages. Whether you're renovating or upgrading, casement windows offer a timeless look that pairs well with nearly any Dallas home design. Final thoughts. Casement windows are more than just a stylish upgrade, they're a smart investment for Dallas homeowners who want better airflow, enhanced energy efficiency, and long-term comfort. With their full opening design, airtight seal, and high-performance glass options, they help maintain a cooler home in summer, retain warmth in winter, and reduce the strain on your HVAC system.